In this video, I'm discussing the costs associated with LinkedIn sales and talent solution products. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, then I encourage you to go down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week, as well as my Facebook group. If you haven't joined, then I encourage you to do that. We are in there talking all things recruiting. So there are levels to LinkedIn, and you can pretty much define them as being either basic or premium. Basic is essentially all of the free features that are associated with LinkedIn. So this is going to include your personal profile, your business profile, as well as limited search features associated with you being able to view other people's profile and then reach out to them. Then there's the premium version. The premium version of LinkedIn is essentially any paid product that unlocks extra features that allow you to be able to leverage the platform in a more strategic way. And LinkedIn has a variety of paid features, but for the sake of this video, we're going to focus on what really matters in terms of you starting out as a brand new recruiting agency owner. And the best options for you are going to be their sales and talent solution products. Now, the cost of LinkedIn sales and talent solution products can be pretty steep, but it really does depend on what you choose. And there are pros and cons that are associated with each. When it comes to LinkedIn's talent solutions, their premier product is going to be their recruiter option, but it is extremely expensive. So they did develop a lighter version of it, which they call Recruiter Lite, that essentially offers the same thing except for a lot less features. Now, Recruiter and Recruiter Lite are really focused on you being able to leverage their platform in order to find the right candidates for the requisitions that you're trying to fill. Recruiter and Recruiter Lite essentially allow you to be able to search through LinkedIn's full platform, leverage a variety of filters and advanced features. That way it will essentially produce a list of potential candidates for you. These products also give you the opportunity to reach out to candidates directly via LinkedIn messaging. However, there is a cap on how many messages you are able to send within a monthly period. Now, the biggest con with Recruiter and Recruiter Lite is the fact that it is so candidate focused, meaning that it's really focused on you being able to find candidates to fill your requisitions and not necessarily you being able to identify potential clients or decision makers in order to be able to grow your business and add to your clientele. Now, while you still have the ability to be able to search for clients using Recruiter or Recruiter Lite, it can be a bit cumbersome. Now, pricing is based on whether you choose to pay monthly or on an annual basis. I'll be honest that if you choose to pay annually, then there is a slight discount in terms of the price. If you go the Recruiter Lite route, then the monthly cost is going to be about $120. But if you choose to go the annual route, then it's almost $2,400. And then if you choose the Recruiter route, the monthly cost is $825. But if you choose to go the annual route, the cost is a little under $9,000. And yep, you heard that right, almost $9,000, and you can't even find potential clients in an easy way. Then we have LinkedIn sales solution products, and their premier product is going to be Sales Navigator. Now, Sales Navigator is a great solution for lead generation. Remember, when you're using LinkedIn, you're either using it to do one of two things or both, and that's finding potential candidates or finding potential clients. Sales Navigator gives you the option to essentially search through LinkedIn's full platform, leverage a variety of features or filters, and then be able to generate a list of potential clients for you. Now, when it comes to pricing, there are two main options that you can go with in terms of Sales Navigator, and that's going to be their core option or their advanced. And unless you're scaling like crazy, honestly, I would recommend that you focus on the core option over the advanced option. Now, again, pricing for core is going to be based on whether you want to pay monthly or annually. And if you choose to pay annually, then there's going to be a discount that's associated with it. So if you go the monthly route, it's going to be almost $100 a month. Or if you choose annually, it comes to about $80 per month, but it is billed on an annual basis, and that annual quote is going to be around $960. The one con that's associated with Sales Navigator is the fact that you do lose the ability to navigate or leverage some of the features that are associated with the talent solutions, such as Recruiter or Recruiter Lite. For example, LinkedIn has a feature where if you are looking for a job, you can actually add a banner to your profile picture that says that you're open to work. With the talent solutions, you're actually able to search those individuals who have that banner within their profile. It just becomes another option for you to be able to find potential candidates to fill the requisitions that you have. Unfortunately, with Sales Navigator, you don't have the opportunity to be able to leverage that feature. So if you're looking to use Sales Navigator in order to identify potential candidates for the recs that you're trying to fill, it can fall short. However, if I were to recommend one product over the other, then I would definitely recommend that you start out with Sales Navigator. One, it's definitely cheaper in terms of the cost, but two, in the beginning, you're really focused on trying to build up your business and scale and get a good amount of clients under your belt. So with that being stated, Sales Navigator really serves as a great resource for you to be able to identify potential clients. As you continue to scale, you can always upgrade the package that you have, or as you add on additional members to your team, you can have them sign up for other products. That way you have the ability to have access to all of them. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you have not subscribed already, then I encourage you to go down below and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.